Managing leads with Salonist is all about keeping every opportunity organized in one place. Whether your leads are coming from social media, referrals, walk-ins, or any other source, Salonist helps you track and manage everything from start to finish. Let's take a closer look at how it works. To get started, head over to Leads Management under Promote. Here, you can easily create a new lead by clicking on Add Lead. You can fill in all the lead details like the lead title, quoted price, customer information, contact details, and even assign a currency. You'll also notice two important sections here, lead type and lead stage. Let's take a look at these in more detail. Lead type helps you organize what the customer is interested in. For example, they may be asking about smoothing services, facials, haircuts, or any service your business offers. The great part is, these can be customized based on your business needs. Now, let's move to lead stage. This helps you track exactly where each lead is in the customer journey, whether it's a new lead, contact already has been made, a proposal was sent, negotiations started, or the lead has already been finalized. This gives you full visibility over your lead pipeline. You can also assign the responsible employee, add the lead source, set follow-up dates, and include notes to keep everything documented. Now, let's look at a few additional options. It also helps you to manage follow-ups directly from here, making it easier to keep track of pending leads and next actions. And if you already have lead data ready, you can import leads directly onto the system. There's even a sample file available to help you format your data correctly before importing. Need more flexibility? You can also customize your setup by creating new lead stages or adding new lead types based on your services and business workflow. Once saved, they'll automatically appear inside your lead management setup. And that's it. Your lead management setup is now ready to help you organize and track every opportunity more efficiently. Everything stays connected within the software. From lead creation and follow-ups to stages, assignments, and tracking progress, giving you a smarter and more structured way to manage leads without the manual work.